everybody, it's me, Jerome, once again with another video. And we are here with Jerome. Hey guys. So, I had a field up episode. We have lots of field up episode.
This is the third video though.
The second one was a fail. It accidentally exit. So, we're gonna discuss about the Noivern deck.
We already took out of it out the box, so let's go in.
Yeah. So I will pause it for a while to tell Jerome. Okay. Puts it all in order. Okay.
Wait lang.
Jacob. Okay. We're recording. So we have two Noiverns.
One hollow and one regular.
3 Noibats.
Yeah, we get 3 Noivern.
There's 3. 4.
There's 4 of them. There's only one Gengar.
Sad.
There's 2 Hunters
3 Ghastlies.
and 3 Ghastly Force.
Some Perlias, which are only 2, I think. Is it 2?
It's sad that we didn't get a Gardevoir or maybe a Gallade.
Gardevoir or Gallade, they sound good. I almost,
There's 2 Kirlia
I almost got
and 2 Ralts.
2 Ralts. I almost got a Mega Gallade because I only got a Spirit Link.
Plus, there's an legendary Crisella.
Lucella? Ooh.
He's a legendary, right?
I don't know. Link in the comments below if it's a legendary or not.
Then we got 2.
Two Misdreavus.
Yep. Got 2 Wobbuffets.
Wow!
There's 1 Zoroark.
Wow! Buffet.
We got 2 Zoroarks.
I knew I should have put brightness on before we recorded.
And Inkay. We got 2
Inkays.
of them. Sad we didn't get a Malamar.
Well, since I gave Jerome 1 Malamar. Yes.
Thanks, dude. We got 2 Usering.
2 Teddiursers.
Yep.
That's how I spell them. So here with the trainer cards.
Got Fisherman.
Fisherman, Giovanni Scheme.
Only one of them. That's
Sad. That's a sad attempt.
Pokemon Center Lady. There's only one of them. Pokemon Fan Club.
The Pokemon Fan Club.
There's only one of them though.
Oh.
Got 2 Professor's Letter.
Yes. Yes.
Serve ticket. Only
Serve
got
ticket.
1 now.
So sad. Only
Got
one. Skyla. One Skyla. 1 Switch.
We got Switch.
Tierno.
There's 2 Tiernos.
2 Tiernos.
There's 1 Wally.
1 Wally.
Plus
Yun.
there's 11 Psychic Energy.
Wow.
And 7
Dark's Energy.
Yep. Plus
And here is the pack.
and I'm never gonna give the code.
Okay.
I'm just joking. Here, guys.
Just for speed second. See, here it is. Yeah. Here. Too close.
And that's it.
That's enough for this video. Like, enjoy, subscribe for more. And okay. Good night, guys.
We're gonna record the Gears of Fire tomorrow, right?
Yes, tomorrow. We're gonna record the Gears of Fire.
Plus, we're also excited for graduation at school.
Yes, graduation. Wish me luck, guys. I want to graduate so badly. Even though I have bad grades in math. 3 straight 74 in my grades. Yeah. I'm sad.
Plus, I think we're all gonna cry because some students are really gonna move.
Yeah. Like, enjoy, subscribe the video.
Wait.
But, wait.
There's also...
We forgot something.
we got...
Mewtwo coin. Mega
Dex.
Mewtwo. Oh, I really want it someday.
Yeah, someday. We got damage counters. We got a playmat. So
I want a playmat. I also want playmat someday. If I get
a Noivern versus Raichu.
It's so cool. I wish I want one someday.
Plus, there's these guys.
So there's more, but there is more. And I don't know what it is.
Plus, there's a card list at the back.
Oh, the card list.
All the cards from Breakthrough. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone! Nakikita kami below, and these are two of Jerome's brothers.
Bye-bye.